Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Exchange server to zip. Search on Google Recovery Tools Exchange Migration Wizard. Click on Download. Select Exchange server. Enter Exchange server credential. Server name. Click on Login. Check the folders that you want convert. Select Zip. Select Destination folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Detailed saving log will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Open destination folder for output. Converted zip file.